We're going to the scrapyard. See what all this pays. This particular piece is, or part of Brisbane, is Sunnybank Hills, sorry. Whoa, good on you, mate. This is probably the most Asian part of Brisbane. You come to a Chinese restaurant here and they don't have anything that typical Australians know as Chinese. But there's Thai places, there's Korean places, Chinese, ramens, and every business has the like an Asian sign on it. And there's some weird ones. But yeah, this is where I sort of shop all the time. This has got everything you need and you don't really need to go into Brisbane. Anyway, I'll catch you back on when we're getting close. So here we're going, Action Metal Recyclers. Cash for scrap. Not allowed to film in there. This is a wonderful yard, like it is so clean. Hang on, whoops. Everything is concrete. Everything, like, yeah. You don't have to worry about getting nails in your tyres, that's for sure. Alright, better switch off. I'm filming. I'm not really supposed to. What did it weigh and what did it pay? That seems to be the thing that everyone says. Right, the wheels, 40 kilos at $1.95 a kilo, $78. They were cleaned. I took all the wheel weights off and the valves out. Lead batteries, 44 cents a kilo. I thought it would have been a bit better than that. 66 kilos for $29.04. Lead wheel weights, kilo. Those wheels had a kilo of lead on them. Someone, yeah, obviously didn't do their job real well. 40 cents. But oh, gets rid of it. Copper insulated low grade. Now I'm a bit disappointed about that because last time the same stuff got high grade. The young fellow that served me last time was serving me again today and was teaching someone, and he ducked off just when these were being weighed, so I got low grade. Yeah, $3.60 still a kilo compared to $1.85. $1.85 is what it was last time, so I missed out on about $7, $7 or $8 there, which is, yeah. The little aluminium extrusions that I got from, I don't even know where I got them from. that had all the little bits of screws in it. But I got rid of those. 2 kilos, $1.85 a kilo, $3.70. And I had some stainless domestic, $1.40 a kilo for $1.40, only a kilo of that. Grand total of $123.65, which is better than what I thought I was going to get, but less than what I probably should have got. But yeah, no, very happy with that. Yeah, copper prices are still good. Yeah, wheel weight, those aluminium wheels, yeah. That's, I didn't expect to get that much for them. So they're like $19 each, or thereabouts. And, yeah, I thought they'd get about bloody $8 or $9 each. So yeah, that's all good. That's for, it's probably 3 trips out, but there was a little bit of copper insulated that I added in, and those aluminium extrusions, but the rest of it was all that I found in the last video. So alright, that's good. You know what's next? Say it. Hooray!